Hello students, today I will do such a sum which is very important for the coming examination. Very important. And this sum is not so easy. What I am telling. Here it is given that if the opposite angular points of a square with 3, 4 and 1 minus 1, find the coordinates of the remaining angular points. How do you do it? Suppose is a square here it is A, B, C, D, and here the angular point, suppose it is 3, 4, and opposite angular point it is 1 minus 1. Then how do you find the coordinates of B and D? How do you find the coordinates of B and D? It's a very important sum I am telling. This is not so easy. Here what you will do, never take both coordinates. Never take both coordinates, then if you take both coordinates you will fall in problem. So suppose it is xy. Suppose the coordinates of B be xy. Then it is a right angle triangle. Triangle ABC. Here I am writing, here triangle ABC is right angle triangle where AC is the hypotenuse and AB base and BC altitude. Suppose this one in this way. Think about it, think in this way, where AB is equal to, here AB is equal to BC. Here AB is equal to BC. So what is the distance between these two? AB is equal to y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square equal to AB equal to BC. So BC what is? Y minus y plus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square. So this is the AB equal to BC. This is the distance between AB. This formula y2 minus y1 plus x2 minus x1 under square root. And it is also this. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. We get y minus 4 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square equal to y plus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square. So if we do a minus b whole square or a plus b whole square in this way, we will get y square plus 16 minus 8y plus x square plus 9 minus 6x equal to y square plus 1 plus 2y plus x square plus 1 minus 2x. In this way you will get y square cancel out, x square cancel out, and here it is 25 minus 8y minus 6x equal to 2 plus 2y minus 2x. Now it is taken both sides. If you take it here on that side and this in this side, that is 25 minus 2 equal to, there is a numerical part, digital part will take in left side and the variable part on that side, 2y minus 2x plus 8y plus 6x. So we will get 23 equal to is equal to 10y plus 4x. Now go to that point. From here we will get x equal to 23 minus 10y divided by 4. This is equal to x. From here it is x. Now here in this right angle triangle we can using Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC we will get AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square means 4 plus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square means same thing, that is y minus 4 whole square plus x minus 3 whole square plus, that is AB square, plus BC square means y plus 1 whole square plus x minus 1 whole square. Now here it is 525 plus 4, 3 minus 1, 2 square means 4, equal to y square plus 16 minus 8y plus x square plus 9 minus 6x plus y square plus 1 plus 2y plus x square plus 1 minus 2x. Now it is 29 equal to here it is 2y square plus 2x square minus 8y plus minus 6y minus 6x minus 8x plus 1 plus 1 2 plus 11 that means 23 minus 10y by 4, it is 29. Now put the value of x in this equation. It is 29 is equal to 2y square plus 2 into 23 minus 10y by 4 whole square minus 6y minus 8 into 23 minus 10y by 4 plus 11. So it will be 29 equal to 2y square plus, here you will get it is 2 by 16 into is 23 square. 23 square means 529. 529 plus 100y square minus 460y minus 6y minus 8, that is it will be cut out. 2 into 23 minus 10y plus 11. 29 equal to 2y square plus it is 1 by 8 into 529 plus 100y square minus 460y minus 6y minus 46 plus 20y plus 11. Now it has to be done in this part. It is not possible to do it up to this. Okay, here it is to be done. It is 3 4, I think 3 4. Now it is to be 6y. Dividing both sides by 29. Dividing both sides by 29. We'll get it is 4y square minus 12y plus 5 equal to 0. So it is 4y square minus 10y minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. If it is 2y common, then is 2y minus 5 and minus 1, 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So 2y minus 5 into 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So y equal to 5 by 2 and y is equal to half. Y is equal to 5 by 2 and half. So put it any equation. If you put this in any equation, that is, if here it is put here, it is 5 by 2 x equal to 23 minus 10 into 5 by 2 by 4. So it will be 23 minus 25 by 4, that is minus 2 by 4, that is minus half, and x equal to, when it is 10 into half divided by 4, we will get 23 minus 5 divided by 4, 18 by 4, that is 9 by 2. So the coordinates of B is equal to 5 by 2 and it is 9 by 2 and half. This is the answer. So it is the toughest sum, I think. It's very difficult to do it up to this today.